Well, the children's toy plane is not making the noise that you might think.
And King 5's Ryan Takeo lets you hear that plane in action and tells you who the company blames.
Opening presents on Christmas Eve.
In Whatcom County,
My nephew opened the present.
what was under this Christmas tree came as a surprise to Bjorn Thorpe.
So we put the batteries in and didn't get what we expected. Well, the plane's supposed to make flying noises and plane noises.
Instead, his 3-year-old nephew's gift sounded like this.
It sounds like an Arabic chanting, which is pretty unusual.
That's no flying noise.
We're kind of confused on how this would happen. It's just kind of not the right situation to have that on a children's toy.
This is the prayer you're supposed to say when you're performing Hajj.
Nadeem Israr, president of the Islamic Society of Whatcom County, says the sound is a prayer Muslims say during their Mecca pilgrimage. He imagines the factory in China that put this together mistakenly added the wrong sound effect.
That's very wrong. That's very, very wrong.
The company WolVol also blames its factory. It pointed to its 4-star rating on Amazon, where the Thorpes bought the toy. But we noticed several Amazon customer reviews complained about the chanting sounds.
We'll probably get him another toy.
Bjorn expects Amazon to refund their buy so they can get his nephew a new Christmas present.
He just wants a plane.
Ryan Takeo, King 5.